Adventure Time lore. Chocolatey's Doctor Who crossover is so good that you can tell it's David Tennant's Doctor despite the fact that he's depicted as an Adventure Time character. If only there were a Jake-shaped TARDIS. Nothing can make a samurai unintimidating. Nothing can make a samurai unintimidating. Jakesey gets meta in this adorable Pope battle. Jakesey gets meta in this adorable Pope battle. Rick and Morty look so much happier in the Adventure Time dimension. Rick and Morty look so much happier in the Adventure Time dimension. Cooking time is wicked in the best possible way. If Off-Brain's Cooking Time and Adventure Time / Breaking Bad crossover makes you say, "Oh no," with a big stupid grin on your face, then you're experiencing the correct response. Pure brilliance. Seeking a castle in the sky is an Adventure Time. Gusty Bow's crossover of Castle in the Sky and Adventure Time takes the most iconic image from the film and injects some fun into it. Ariel doesn't need a voice to find joy as an Adventure Time character. Chris Lyo shows us what a Little Mermaid / Adventure Time crossover would look like in this impeccably drawn image of Ariel under the sea. Digimon is used to being styled after other cartoons. This artist, whimsically named Citrus Cactus, does an exquisite job of depicting tamers and their Digimon partners in the style of Adventure Time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.